guys, so welcome back to my channel. So as I mentioned in my previous video, I was expecting a package to arrive this month, and yeah, as you can see, it already arrived just earlier, like not even like 10 minutes ago. So let's go ahead and open this. I'm very excited to see what's inside, although of course I purchased these items, so I should know what its contents are, but it's been a while, so I'm still excited to see them in person. Anyway, so we'll see. Although I have to be honest, I'm a bit surprised because this is like a smaller box than I was expecting. But maybe they got a bit smarter in packing all the stuff inside, so they were able to fit this all in this box. Anyway, so let's see what's inside. Okay, let's remove this and excuse the messy background. It's just that I'm doing this unboxing inside my mother's room. Okay, so let's start with this one. Oh no, we're not going to do this because I'm going to do a separate unboxing for this, since this is the prize that I won in Angel Dream Gallery's giveaway. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so let's start with this doll. So I forgot her number. Okay, so definitely she is a truly me. Okay, so let me do a close-up so you can see what she looks like. So I don't own this doll, or at least I don't own this particular truly me. Okay, so when I saw her, I was really excited because I'm trying my best to complete all the truly me's, the girl of the years, the historicals. So this is just one doll closer to my goal. Looking at her right now, so she is not really that TLC. Of course, her hair needs some work. It's a bit dry, and there's even like this stuff stuck in her hair, but it's not like, something that I need to be worried about because that can easily be removed. And I don't see any marks on her vinyl skin, and her limbs are actually quite tight. So yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase, and I think she's a really pretty doll. She has lovely hazel eyes, okay, and this dark brown hair. So she's a very, very pretty doll. Okay, let's see what else is inside this box. Okay, I remember correctly. So this doll, okay, this Rebecca Rubin doll is. Oh, is she Rebecca Rubin? No. Oh my God. So no, she's not Rebecca Rubin. She's actually, I think she's Joss. Is she? Can you let me know what you think who she is? I think she is Joss. Okay, her face is a bit different from Josefina. But anyway, I think she came with this with the first doll, but now that I'm looking at her, I thought at first that she was Rebecca because I purchased these dolls from Shop Goodwill. They came together, and I'm not sure who she is right now. I think she looks like Rebecca, but if I look at her in a certain angle, I think she looks more like Joss. Editing Clark here. Upon checking, she is actually Rebecca Rubin. So the way I was able to determine that she is Rebecca is her eye color. So Rebecca has like hazel eyes and Joss has brown eyes. So definitely she is Rebecca Rubin. Her face just looks a bit like Joss, but definitely she is Rebecca. So I was able to determine that now. Confused. But anyway, the doll is not really that TLC either. So her hair is a bit messy right now, but that can easily be fixed. It's not cut or anything like that, and her limbs are not stained. Thank God for that. And her limbs are a bit loose, but not really worrisome. Anyway, if I want to tighten it more, that's going to be fine. But yeah, so and she comes in this really pretty dress, a style that I particularly love. So let's put this doll aside for the meantime. Okay, so yes, so this doll is the one that I think is really is Joss. Okay, so actually there's a bit of a backstory about this doll. She comes with several Our Generation dolls. Now, I love Our Generation, but I really don't collect their dolls anymore. I'm particularly interested in their accessories, in their clothes, shoes, etc. But the actual dolls, I do like some. but not all of them. Okay, nothing against our generation. I just, my collection is just more focused on American Girl. Is like with like five our generation dolls. So basically, I purchased the lot because of her. So let me compare her now with this one because I'm sure that she's just, but this doll is actually like throwing me under editing Clark again. So I don't know why they didn't just compare their eyes, since eyes are the most easiest way to determine what type or what the name of the doll that you're looking at is. But anyway, so one is Rebecca, the other is definitely Joss. Giving me so much pause. Like I, oh my god, I think she is Joss. So I have actually two Joss in my box. Oh my god, that's really nice because I just have one Joss mold in my collection and now I have two. Oh no, I lied because I think Cabby is a Joss mold. Okay, so yes. Oh no, Cabby is not a Joss mold. What am I saying? But anyway, I'm all over the place because I'm just so surprised. Okay, I didn't expect that there will be two Joss molds in this collection or in this box. There isn't. You're the Lulu. Anyway, so let's move on. For the meantime, let's just put these girls aside. By the way, I love her clothes. It's a bit different. Okay, I'm not sure if this is a off-brand dress. I think I saw this being sold in like Lazada or Shopee, but I like it anyway. Okay, so let's see what else is inside this box. Oh, okay. So let's do that for the last. Okay, so yes. So another purchase, actually a bit of an impulse purchase, is this one. So I can't remember exactly how much she cost, but when I saw her, I was really interested. Looking at her right now, I think she is Makina, with her uh, braids taken out, and unfortunately, her hair was cut in the front. I'm not sure why that is, why this her previous owner did that, but I'm assuming that they're very young. They were probably experimenting on hair dressing. But anyway, I'm still excited to work on her to make her pretty again. I think I'm going to just straighten up her hair and then we'll work on her bangs. Maybe I can just pin it up so that it won't be noticeable that it's cut, but still a very pretty doll, and I don't see any major issues with her except for her hair, of course, and she does have some mark, but I think that can be removed by a magic eraser. And of course, her dress. I've loved this dress. I've been eyeing it for a very long time. I think this is a Christmas dress. I remember seeing it a few years ago. Okay, as I think it's a Christmas release dress. But anyway, I love it. It's really, really nice, and I'm excited to see her. Oh, there's a note here. So hello and thank you for your purchase. We strive for positive feedback, including 5-star ratings. If for some reason you don't feel you receive a 5-star service, please email me with any questions or concerns prior to leaving feedback or opening an eBay or PayPal dispute. We will work to make sure all buyers are happy buyers. Thank you again. Okay, no problem there because I am aware of the issues with this doll before I purchased her. So I'm not going to be leaving any negative reviews. So yeah, so it's all fair. Anyway, let's move on. So okay, I'll be showing you the dolls that I purchased along with the Joss that I showed you earlier. So for these dolls, I think I'm just going to be keeping one or two of them in their original state because I'm planning to use some of their bodies as substitute, just in case I have like a head and I want to give them a body, so I'll make use of their body. So I'll just remove the head. Okay, I've done that already for other dolls that I received a while back. But anyway, I'm not sure what this doll's name is. I think it's, if I'm not mistaken, I already have this doll. I think his name is Raphael. Not sure, but he's very cute. He's a very nice looking doll. And he's not really that TLC. He just needs some cleanup, and he does have some tattoos, but which I think I can just remove by a magic eraser. But Anyway, so let's see what we're going to do with him. Okay, I might use it if I need like a boy doll. Okay, and this is another Our Generation boy doll. Okay, and there are several in this box. I don't know his name, but he is different. I definitely don't have him yet. I don't have a duplicate of him, and yeah, I might keep this as as a when I take pictures of my doll, then he's going to be the doll, because the only boy doll that I actually own is Logan Everett. I do have other dolls, but I consider them as like not really male. Okay, let me explain, because they're like either trans. Well, maybe there are male, but I just like to make them gender fluid, if you know what I mean. But anyway, so that's it. So I think this doll has potential, so I'm going to clean him up. Okay, and then what else is in this box? Okay, so let me just show you the other dolls that came with the bundle. So this is another doll. Okay, again, I don't know her name. Okay, but yeah, she does have some. Now that I'm looking at her, she's really pretty. She just needs some cleaning up, and I might keep her as is. Maybe I'm not going to turn her into a body donor someday, and just keep her as is in my collection, because she doesn't really have any major issues with her, and she does look cute, and I do want some diversity more in my collection. Okay, what else? Oh, this one. Okay, so okay, definitely I like this one. Come to think of it, when I first purchased this, I thought that it was just going to use this Our Generation dolls as body donors, but now that I have them, I think I like them as is, because they're like boy dolls. Definitely, I need more boys in my collection, and yeah, I think this is a very good boy doll. Very handsome. Oh, I think his cap is attached to his wig. Okay, that's fine. Okay, great. I think he's really cute. Okay, so let's do the last doll in this box. Okay, so there's another story for this doll. As I mentioned, I've already opened the very first doll that I pulled out from this box. She is. If you notice, she is the same doll from the first one that I unboxed. Let me get her real quick. Okay. Yes. Alright, so they're identical. Now, I don't know why I did this, because she's actually the first one that I purchased. Okay, because I don't have this doll yet in my collection. But then she came up with the other Joss mold doll. Again, she's Rebecca Rubin. And her price was just too good to pass, so I grabbed the opportunity and purchased her. So now I have two doubles. So, but I'm thinking either I'm going to like rewig this one, because she's more TLC than this one, or if I'm going to just like curl up her hair to make her look a bit different, or eye swap her. I still don't know yet what I'm going to do, but definitely she's not unwelcome, and I'm not going to get rid of her. There's still some things that I could do to make her different from this one. Okay, because this one I'm definitely going to keep as is. Okay, so I'm just going to clean her up, fix her up, and I'm going to keep all her features intact. This one, I'm still thinking if I'm going to curl up her hair, or eye swap her, or whatever. Okay, but she is going to be staying in my collection. And yeah, unfortunately, she only comes with one shoe. I don't know what happened with her other pair. Okay, so sad about that, but okay, so that's what happens when you purchase like second-hand dolls. So it's not always certain that you're going to get the complete item. The last contents from the box. So these are like wigs that I purchased from my friend Mimi Knight. Okay, so she is someone I met in one of the Facebook groups that I like linger on, or like stay on. But anyway, so I'm just going to use these wigs, of course, on my dolls. I'm excited to like it. Okay, this is the one that I'm really excited about. because I do want to make my own version of this doll, or at least make my own, because what does this doll have? Like, she just has this very unusual wig, and then she has the regular eyes, blue eyes, and then I think she has freckles. And maybe, just maybe, just a possibility, maybe I'm going to turn this into whatever number that doll is. I'm just going to flash on the screen what I'm talking about. The one who originally owns this wig. Oh, 88. Okay, so the number is already indicated in the plastic. Okay, I asked Mimi if she has any legs, and she did have some legs. So I purchased this from her, and I already have a torso. I think there is a head inside this. Okay, if I remember, I also asked if she could uh, give me a head. Yes, okay, so this is this a Jaws? Okay, I remember that she said it's a Julie head, but if it's a just much better, because I don't have that much Jaws mold dolls in my collection. But yeah, okay, but now I have a head, and I have legs, and I already have a pair of arms, and I have the torso, so I have enough to make another doll. So great. Okay, so excited. And what else is there? Okay, so these are like some clothes that I purchased from Mimi. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so these are like cute dresses. So I really love this style. This is that stuff that I really want to collect. I like dressing my dolls in this type of dresses. Okay, another cute dress. Okay, and here's another one. Okay, really cute. And I'm glad that this came right on time, because I'm still taking pictures for my Vlogmas project. So I'm definitely going to be featuring some of these dolls in my remaining days for the Vlogmas. Um, okay, so another wig. So this time a brown one, and I think that's it. So yeah, so not a bad haul, right? So I really got a lot of dolls from this box. Yeah, I was a bit nervous because it was smaller than I expected, this box, but turns out that it did contain everything, all of the dolls and stuff that I was expecting to receive. Anyway, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned, because I'm definitely going to be posting the videos of my fixing up of these dolls. Take care and happy holidays!